When we first open Adobe Premiere Pro, we will fit this screen right here. Here are projects. Those are my projects. So when you first open Adobe Premiere Pro, you're not gonna find this. And from here, we should hit this new project. If you have an existing project, you can open it from here, but we'll create a new project right now. Now we can name our project. Let's say welcome. And here we can specify our location for this project. Okay, it's fine for me. And here from renderer, I want to use this because it doesn't hang with me when I'm playing back the video. So I love using this. And then hit OK. This is my custom layout for Adobe Premiere Pro. You're not gonna find it like this, but you're going to find it like this.